Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to delete text message on your iPhone and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see at the bottom, you'll be having a message icon over here. Just tap on this, so that's going to take you to this. Now from here, as you can see, these are some of the conversation I did. And now if I wanted to delete certain messages on a particular conversation, what I need to do is I just need to go over here, tap on the conversation. Now from here, if I wanted to delete the particular message, what I need to do is just go over here on press and hold on that particular message. Now from here, tap on the more icon over here. Now we can tap on the trash icon if you wanted to delete this particular message from here. And if you need to select the multiple, you can select the multiple from here. Now once you select it, you can just go to the trash icon and go for delete messages, so it will be deleted and rest will be here. This is for selecting a certain particular messages. Now if you wanted to delete the entire conversation, this is not the method. What you need to do is you just need to go back. Now from here, once you go back, what you need to do is you have to swipe like this. Now we can see when you swipe like this, we have two options. Now tap on the trash icon over here. Now from here, you have to go for delete. Now as you can see, the entire conversation is gone. So this is how we can do it, and once you're done with this, you can just go back and right now you can use it, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.